Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's short video clips, we're going to talk about how to pay for public parking and summons in Johor Bahru. To begin with, do you know that there are two councils in Johor Bahru? One of them is MBJB, the other one is MBIP. Now, let's touch a little bit on MBIP first. MBIP basically is on the Iskandar Puteri area. Now, since this year, 2024 April, the MBIP, or the Iskandar Puteri Mayor, has decided to go fully digitalized for public car parking and summons. There's a grace period up to the end of this year, December. In Iskandar Puteri, you can use the app to pay or your parking coupon. In next year, January 2025, it'll be fully payment by an app. Right guys, so now those areas that are under this MBIP, well, just to list a few, they have Gelang Patah, they have Sutra, Skudai, okay, Indah. Now it's very easy to remember guys. If you are looking at MBIP, you don't know where they are more towards the second link, right? So now, in order to pay for this public parking and summons in MBIP, you need to download an app. Now this app is called Parkmax at Johor. So you can download this app from Play Store, and once you download the app, it's very easy. As in all new apps, you need to create an account. You need to sign in. What you need to do is put in your details for your car and your personal details, and of course you need to link your credit card to the app so that you can load and reload the values into this app to make parking charges for public car park and summon. Hopefully you don't get the summon, right guys? Let's briefly go through the app. This will be the app right here, Parkmax at Johor. So what you need to do when you tap on it, this homepage, so to speak, will open up. And what you need to do is, before you do this, you need to on your location tag on your phone, because it will automatically tell you where your car is parked at, right? So we need to choose parking here. You can see, so you tap on parking, you got an hourly, daily parking kind of thing. You just tap on daily, or it'll show you the location. Right now it says there's no location because obviously we are in Singapore. So when you're in Malaysia, it will show you the exact location where you park your car. If you park in those open car park, public car park, remember to park on those parking lot demarcated in white, because if you park on those demarcated in yellow, most likely you'll get a fine, because those parking lots are for season parking only, right guys? So yep, assuming that you get a summon, how are you going to pay? Well, you come over this app here, the same app, and here you can see other services. You tend to tap on other services, and over here, check and pay compound. You tap on it. If you have a summon, you just need to key in your car number plate, and the summon will come up, and you know the summon number and all this, then you can just go ahead and pay your summon, right guys? So it's as easy as that, right? So now let's go to the other area. This under MBJB. MBJB, well, the district covered under MBJB will be, well, you guys know very well, Taman Sentosa, Chobao area, Johor Jaya, just to name a few. They are much closer to the Woodland checkpoint, right guys? So the same thing applies under this MBJB. They have actually started digitalization of the public car park and summons way back in January 2024. So guys, under MBJB, this is the app that you need to download from your Play Store. It's called MBJB Spot, right? So you go through the same process of registering your car, opening an account, and tagging your credit card. So once you have this app here, you need to tap on parking, hourly parking. Most of us choose hourly parking. Once you choose hourly parking, it will prompt you to, to choose either 30-minute, 1 hour, and that kind of thing. And then you just go ahead and select and then make the payment. If you're in MBJB and you happen to get a summon, how are you going to pay for it? Well, using this same app, you just need to go to over here, compound. Can you see this compound? You just need to tap on compound, and then the same thing, right? Key in your vehicle number and the summon will appear, and then you can use the app to pay for the summon. Hi guys, with these two apps, you can actually, do all this payment on within the app for public car parking and summons. Right, you don't need to go to the respective office and stand in line and pay. Right, so yeah, so with all these two apps, well, one thing is good, we can say goodbye to all this coupon, right guys? No more running around and hunting for coupon, right? So guys, do you know that you can use your T&G e-wallet to pay for your public parking charges when in Negeri, Sembilan, Selangor, Kuala area and Kuala Lumpur? So I believe most of you would have T&G e-wallet, right? Really just go to the T&G e-wallet app, and once you're in it, just go to More over here. As you can see, MOI More, click on it, and then choose under Transport. So once you are in More and you click Transport, it will bring you to this page here. Just click on Parking. Okay guys, so right now, as I said, we are not in Malaysia, we're in Singapore. So once you're over there in either Kuala Lumpur, Selangor, Negeri, Sembilan or Kuala area, the app will pick up the location, provided that you have enabled location tag. So guys, that pretty much sum up this short video clips. Just a few points to remember. When using the MBJB or the MBIP app, remember you must have enough money in the app. So the credit card, you must link it to the respective app. And also, do remember, always park on the parking lot that is demarcated in white and not in yellow. And also, as a safeguard, usually what we would do, even though we know the location where we park, we will double confirm with the board at the parking area. It will say whether it's MBJB or MBIP and the location, just to be sure. You don't want to end up paying for a different location, right guys? So yeah, so I hope that this video, short video, is useful to you all. The next time we go to Johor Bahru and beyond Johor Bahru. Before we sign off, if you have not checked out our YouTube channel, which has been for about a year, we cover a lot of territories in Johor Bahru and beyond Johor Bahru. So guys, we invite you to check out our video channel. Our videos are no hype, they are genuine review. So if you find this video useful, do remember to share with your friends. Give us a subscription and a like. See you guys, and drive safely and pleasant trip. God bless.